This riff is from the song called Faded by Alan Walker. To play this riff, we have a capo on the 6th fret. So putting capo on the 6th fret, I'm using A minor chord. So you're holding A minor chord on the right hand. I'm using my pick as well as my fingers to pluck these strings. So I'm doing my hybrid picking here. So we have bass notes with the pick, and the top strings, which is first and second, I'm playing with my ring finger and the middle finger here. So for A minor, we gotta pluck 5 and 2 together first. Then we go 4, 2, 4. So hybrid picking is only on the 5 and 2 then. So that's the first 4 notes. Then again we go 5 and 2. Then we go 4, 1 and back to 4. So 5 and 2, 4, 1, 4. So that's A minor. Next we have a little bit stretch on this F add chord. So we have 6th string 1st fret with index finger, then 3rd fret I'm holding with my 2nd finger on the 4th string, then little finger is on the 5th fret. This is related to capo on the 1st string. So I pluck. So we have a 6 and 1 together, then 4, 1, 4. So then again 6 and 1, 4. Now we change the 1st string note. We put ring finger on the 3rd fret, 1, then back to 4. So we have next chord. We have C major. To pluck C major, we have, it's the same repetition for twice. So we have 5 and 1 together, 4, 1, 4. Again 5 and 1 together, 4, 1, 4. So from C. Then we have G just holding on the 6th string 3rd fret and keeping that 2nd string open. So we pluck 6 and 2 together, then 4, 2, 4. So then again we go 6 and 2 together, 4. Then we add the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, pluck 3rd string, then we go 4. So only the G chord. Sorry. Now whole riff.